Yes, digital product family. Hope you guys are well, guys. We have a massive, huge update, guys, from Midjourney AI. As you know, we love to use Midjourney, but this is amazing news, guys. But as usual, before I get into this, if you love digital products, you love creating, researching, listing, and all of that mad stuff, then please hit the like, subscribe, smash that notification bell, and don't forget to share, because we love to share. Trust me, we do love the sharing bit. But check this out, man. It's a big one, right? Midjourney has smashed it. They are doing bits. Check this out, guys. Look, on any clipper or anything, most things that we like to use in our digital products, you will see, for those that you know, when we create our designs, whether it be clip arts, whatever it may be, in this case, what we got? Little safari animals. Oh, look at them. Look, they're so cute. Check this out, man. Whenever we do a bundle, whatever it is, you always need to make sure that the resolution is on point, right? And what we traditionally do to get that resolution, making sure it's 300 dpi, making sure that it's all AI scaled up, or however you do it, we need to make sure it's done. So what we used to do is, we used to go to Midjourney. So let me just show you quickly. What we used to do, we used to go to Midjourney and then write something up in a prompt. So let's say in this case, what am I going to do? Watercolor books. I like watercolor books in the style of, let me do autumn. Let me do winter time, because it's coming up. Christmas. It's all done. Leave the Halloween and autumn style now. We're kind of just snow, winter trees, right? Winter trees. Come on, what should I do? I gotta do more stuff. Winter trees, snow, winter trees. Oh no, Christmas trees. Yeah, what am I doing? Winter trees when I've got Christmas trees. Yeah, winter, snow, Christmas trees, detail on a white background. Yeah, I'm gonna do a book style and a Christmas style. Now check this out, guys. All right, so when you do your prompt, you click enter, right? And then we get our 4 different styles. Now this is the beautiful bit. This is the amazing. See, Midjourney is stepping up the game. This is what we need. Step up your game, because this is what we need to do. Okay, what the hell is this? Watercolor books in the style of spooky winter. Okay, wait. I'm speaking too soon. One of them looks okay. I'm gonna show you something. This is a mad one. Now it doesn't really matter. I like that top one. It's got that winter feel of books. So I'm gonna go with that one. They're actually all nice, but I'm gonna go for the second one. So what we used to do is, we used to do this, guys. Remember, upscale it. So we upscale the one we like. Check it. It's upscaled, yeah? Come on. It's upscaled. And then what we used to do is, we used to click on it, right? Open browser, save it, and then upload it on an AI upscaler, right? Or however you do it, whether you put it into Photoshop, whatever you do. But we needed to upscale it further because the resolution wasn't good enough. Because look, I'll just show you. I'll open it in browser. I'll just give you an example. It's upscaled slightly, but when we actually zoom in, right, it becomes quite pixelated. Like now it's getting pixelated, right? You can see even on the trees it's become very pixelated. So it needed upscaling if we're gonna, sell it on Etsy, okay, or wherever it is. We needed to upscale it further. But now, guys, Midjourney has smashed it. Look, we don't need to go anywhere, because what they've got is they've got these new functions. Here, look, upscale 4 times. So I can click this button after I've done an initial upscale, and I can upscale a further 4 times, which gives me around 4,000 by 4,000 something pixels, which makes it much more defined, and the resolution is fabuloso. Now, this will work for items that are sort of small to mid-range items, and most things really, apart from like big items that you need to print it on or use it for, okay? So it's actually going to really help a lot of people out, and it's actually really going to make a huge difference to everybody. Okay, so we can see that it's upscaled now. Let me click on it. Now look at this. Look how smooth. Look how amazing this one is. Look at this. This is upscale 4 times now. And you can tell when you actually go properties, you can see it. And just look at this. It's so defined now. Look at that. Look at that. Absolutely no pixelation. Look at that. Smooth. Guys, look at that. Look how smooth that is on a watercolor. Look at that. Zoomed in further. Smooth, guys. Amazing. I think Midjourney's done an amazing job. Amazing job. That's what I'm talking about. Yep. Fantastic. So that can be just all you need to do if you're doing this obviously as a clipper. Just get rid of the white background, make it transparent. That's it. Make it transparent and you're ready to go. Yeah. Upload it. Done. You're done. So, hope you liked the video, guys. Hope you liked that little update on Midjourney AI. If you did like the video, hit the like, subscribe, smash the notification bell. Don't forget to check out my playlist on all the design digital products I make, create. And I shall see you on the next video. Take care.